So I'm just finished a cabinet meeting here where we have signed off as a government on a new remediation scheme for homeowners who are affected by Mica in my own county of Donegal, and indeed Mayo and other counties where may have similar issues. It's been a really traumatic time for homeowners. Homeowners have been living a nightmare and continue to live a nightmare at the moment. But I do believe that the scheme which the government have signed off on today will provide the clarity and certainty to all homeowners that they will be able to fix their homes, and also that it delivers 100% redress of the costs that are going to be associated with that. Today's decision by Cabinet is based on the current 2021 standard Society of Chartered Surveyors in Ireland costings in terms of the cost of remediating a home. That's based at €138 per square foot on average, based on this year. And the assessment that has been carried out by government, working with SESI, is that works out at €145 per square foot for the first 1,000 square foot, €110 per square foot for the next 1,000, and €1,000 per square foot for the remainder. Key to that, €100 per square foot for the remainder. Key to this going forward is the fact that that will be updated year on year to reflect the true and real building costs of the time, because obviously this is a scheme that's going to be with us for a number of years to come. Also, there's a €420,000 maximum cap for any one payment, which should ensure that the vast majority of homeowners get to rebuild their full home and have the cost of it fully covered. Also, there's separately to that, there is a €15,000 for rental accommodation and €5,000 maximum for storage accommodation. Also, there will be a certificate of remediation for all homeowners once their home is remediated and fixed. And also there will, alongside that, be the opportunity where it's option 2 to 5 to ensure that homeowners can re-enter the scheme should that be necessary. But of course, the whole premise of the scheme will be ensuring that the right remediation option is adopted for each property, and that remediation option is one that ensures it stands the test of time, and that homeowners will have their home for the remainder of their lives. Overall, I believe that this is a scheme which will bring certainty to homeowners, bring relief to homeowners, and over the next number of years stand the test of time in terms of ensuring that it will serve both Donegal and Mayo and other counties to ensure that homeowners can get back with their lives and get on as normal with the house which they'd always dreamed of and which they'd worked so hard for being theirs again and being fully fixed. I want to thank Minister for Housing, Darragh O'Brien, for the tremendous work that he's done on this. I want to thank the Taoiseach for his tremendous support, and the three party leaders, the Taoiseach and the Green Party leader, Eamon Ryan. I also want to acknowledge the tremendous work of Minister Michael McGrath, Public Expenditure, and Minister for Finance, Pascal Donoghue, who were central to actually ensuring that this scheme was approved. Most of all, I want to acknowledge the work and campaigning of homeowners as well over the past number of weeks and months in turning this from a regional issue into a national issue, which was really important in ensuring that we could get to this point today. In terms of the Mica Action Group, with Michael Doherty and Eamon Jackson, in terms of the work that Paddy Diver did in terms of campaigning, in terms of Eileen Doherty, Anne Owens, Joe Morgan, everyone that worked hard. It took everyone working together to ensure that this scheme could be put in place. The key thing from here on now is going to be delivery of that, and I look forward to continuing to work with everyone, work with my constituency colleagues, Senator Niall Bleaney, Joe McHugh, Dara Cleary and Mayo, to ensure that we follow through on all of the actions today. So thank you very much.